Hi to my fellow hobby kakis. How have you guys been doing? Yep, okay, for this week, we are back with our another episode of Skill Model series. And it's fun and easy to do. And I believe, I hope some of you have already watched my last Uniqlo Zaku giveaway, which is on the top left corner. I think during the video, I've actually spoken about how skill modeling can be easily picked up and various categories suitable for people of all ages. So moving on from there, we have decided to do a very intro into the hobby, whereby I'm going to touch on the various grades for Gunpla. Okay, so with regards to that, of course, before we start, we would like to say a big thank you to our friends, okay, our local distributor in Singapore, okay, Sheng Toys. Yes, that's right. Thank you so much for providing us this opportunity to work with you on this video, and many more to come. Okay, so for today, we're going to start off with a very basic, known as the entry grade, as you can see over here. Okay, so these are very easy built model kit, which I believe with 4 of them, I think I can I'll just need at least maybe less than 2 hours. Okay, so without further ado, let us move on to our build for today. Let's go. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, we do have 4 entry grades models over here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to just speed through in terms of the preparation, okay, whereby I'm cutting them out into their various parts, and then from there I'll just do a speed through of the entire building process, so that it won't take 2 hours. Okay, and from then on I'll just do a review of each of the model kit, okay, and how young ones can actually pick up this hobby itself. Okay, so right now let's start off with the Doraemon. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off all the parts. Okay, this is the bell itself. Okay, maybe for a start, okay, because this is known as an entry grade, so what I'm going to do, I will not use my cutter, okay, and then I will just remove them from their runners. Let's see how it goes. Okay, because that's entry grade itself. So like I said, this is supposed to be for people of all ages. Oh yeah, actually it's pretty easy to take out. Okay, I just got to use my fingernails and then just remove the parts. Okay, so this is the Doraemon one. And okay, so what I'm just using my fingernails. Okay, I'm just using my fingernails to just snap it off. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm already removed all the parts for the Doraemon one, so I'll just now piece it up. Okay, I'm actually doing it without any instructions manual. Okay.
It's interesting to see here that different shapes are used for younger kids to match the parts together.
Yep, and it's done. Okay, done. I take less than 10 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, various parts has been removed from the runner itself. So to assist me in terms of the build, what I will do, I'll just arrange all the parts together accordingly. For example, legs to legs, you know, all the parts needed for the head will be pieced together. So I'll just do that right now. Okay, so all 4 of the model kits are done, the entry grade. It's really simple. I think I took less than an hour to build all 4 of them. Okay, so next up, right now we actually have these few things lah. These are all the stickers that comes with the model kit, which we can actually add it in. So I'm going to add it in, and then we're going to do a overall review of how each of the kit look. Okay, let's go.
Alright, there you have it, our intro to the entry grade model kits from Bandai Spirit. Other than the lack of articulation and comes in fixed pose, the entry grades are definitely suitable for younger kids, as tools are not required to assist in the build. And once again, a great shout out to our friends from Sheng Toys to provide us the opportunity on this video. And for this week, we are giving away the newly released entry grade model kit from My Heroes Academia to one lucky winner. Do check out the description below for details. So, if you are interested in exploring the entry grade model kits for yourself or even for the younger ones, they are already available at various retail outlets as well as hobby stores like Hobby Art. So if you enjoy our video, do give us a like, subscribe and click on the bell for future content. We are Hobby Kakis and we hope to see you around. Do stay safe in the current environment and peace.